Wait until him reach right here, sir. Whoa! Come on! Wait until him reach. Oh my. Come to this side.
Cool. On a
wait
good,
until.
man. On a good. Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I popped the balloon because he asked me to do a 360, and then on top of that, you got a motive behind it.
No, it's not a motive.
You got a vagina on your shirt.
So wait, hold on.
You
Come
see
and have
him.
a hand up on my shirt. So you want a man for walk with body pan them shirt?
No,
Me not support
no,
body
no.
man world. A pum pum worldwide. That was
Okay.
said. So if you want man with body pan shirt, but a body man you look for. Next.
What do you do for work?
I'm an aspiring actress, so I do skits right now. Yeah, for work.
Yeah?
Oh, wait. I do OnlyFans. How do you feel about that?
Turn on for me.
No.
I'm tell you the truth. You all lean to one side. Some don't know. For your better do your body or something, you just lean to one side. Some don't know if I do, you don't do good.
Okay.
Yeah, move on to next, please.
Next.
I would pop my balloon for you still, isn't me? If me have one balloon, I would pop it back for you. See me, me and your
Why?
type. I mean, you weren't really my type too, isn't me? I don't know. I don't like how she shape. Sorry.
How I'm shaped.
Yeah,
Okay.
like your surgeon come from Sheen.
Oh wow. You're
yeah.
rude.
Oh.
Like you're really rude.
Novo Pandora.
It's a Yo! Miami, we're there! It's the next part of the balloon and find love, ladies. Are you ready? Yo, Miami, I'm not lie. You look nice, elegant, and thing. I don't know. I have to come out, you know. Mommy, call me Papi, okay? Make sure you leave a like and subscribe below. When you don't know the routine, right? Females, it's simple. When a male walk out and you don't like him based on how he looks, you pop the balloon, okay? And if you like him, what you gonna do? You keep your balloon, okay? Alright, so people, this video is fully sponsored by Osmium Records. You see it? One, Osmium Records, and another two. Watch out now. Go over them Instagram page right now. If you're the next star, they're looking for the next star, okay? I'm not lie. I come Florida. I'm there at the baddest hotel. Osmium Records do that, you know. I feel like I'm a star, but I feel like a star. Okay? If you want to be the next big thing, follow them on Instagram right now. Got them on the baddest rhythm, the baddest beat, okay? Alright, so female, you ready? Yeah. Alright, that actually stressed me out though. Let's do this, chips. Banana chip. Alright, watch you now. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. I know I feel good. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. I love you, okay? No, I really love you because what? You like the video, you comment. Yo, if my tongue in the video, it's because we have some females in the lineup when I understand Jamaicans, okay? I'm gonna talk English. Is that okay? Okay, alright, so I forgot to talk English. So people from Jamaica, nobody say really a twang. Yeah? Me have to do this thing, yeah? So we're gonna send in the first male. Are you guys ready? Oh, you want me to talk in Jamaican? Alright, watch out now. People, me are sending the first male. Like always, God night. Let's do this. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Wait until him reach out to you. Alright. Introduce yourself.
We in Rocket Boys.
Alright, YG, alright. What type of job you do?
Sell biscuit and juice, you know. Entrepreneur, got a e-commerce website. Distribution, sell to Bravo, Walmart. You know.
Okay, alright, I got it. Yeah, alright. What's your type though?
Boy, that line up here, man, it's like a box. Everything. I like her. Everybody's beautiful. Let's you know that.
All right.
Everybody's beautiful.
Yeah. So you don't have a type?
Of course I have a type.
Yeah, Mike.
Oh, okay. So my type would be a person that's into me, way like travel, and somebody that's alright. Somebody way loving.
Oven, no, no, but all right then. So we got some pops. So we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
All right, let's find out.
All right, we want to start with first? Start with here?
All right. Can't guarantee you serious. You like spicy or like sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet, all right then.
Osla.
Match your personality, you know?
All right, your name, why you pop the balloon?
I'm Cece. I bought my balloon up.
That's okay.
I bought my balloon because just the way that he was saying, like someone into me, it didn't necessarily sound like he would be into the girl. Like, yeah, he'll be into the girl, but it's just how it came off was more so like, I get you want your girl to be about you, but it's just, I wanted to hear something different.
No problem.
Yeah.
But I never mean it that way. Probably just the dialect of, you know? Where you from?
I'm from Florida.
You see, I'm a Jamaican, so the way I'm say it, probably you just never understand. But I understand, you know?
Yeah. All right, so how much you rate him from 1 to 10 now?
I give him a 10. He's clean. The way you dress is nice.
Thank you.
Nice beard, nice hair. How you speak, you know, and then you got your things going for you. So,
Appreciate it.
yeah.
All right. Based on her appearance, what you think about her?
Come on, tell it. Everybody's 10, you know?
She's
She's
a-
star. I like the jeans jacket with the Rick Owens. I tell my dog about it, you know. Good style. Fashionable. Everybody fashionable.
Thank you.
All right?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, go down the line.
All right.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Tosh, you don't have a type, and that's the problem.
Okay, so can I explain why? So a type is basically on physical features, which that's not the thing for me. It's more of a bond what we have together. So you can be tall, you can be black, you can be short. It doesn't matter. You know, the type is not a thing where I'm looking for physical feature. I'm looking for somebody that's emotional and somebody that's in, you know? Yeah, not just a physical person.
So you don't primarily get attracted based off of
Looks?
looks?
No. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
You have a problem with that?
Because then you're attracted to anything.
No.
I'm just saying.
It couldn't be
I don't know
attracted
who
to
my
anything.
competition is gonna be.
No, it couldn't be a
And-
competition.
I'm just saying I don't know who to look out for.
No worries.
And if I can't watch my own back, then
That's fine.
You know.
That's fine.
So
All right, so based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
so you smell good.
Oh, thanks. You know,
Yeah,
LG.
you put yourself together real good, but yeah. So you can have a 9.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, what you think about her?
Yeah, man, straight 10, man.
Straight 10?
Yeah, man.
All right,
Cool.
all right. Go down the line. Come on,
He's
with
toxic again.
Oh, go on.
Hi.
All right.
So I don't have a problem with him. He can have a 10 as well. My problem with you is that you said something about you don't have like a physical type.
Yeah.
So I will have to be watching all the bitches because I don't know if you like black bitches, white bitches, tall bitches, skinny bitches.
Yeah.
I don't know. So if I
Okay.
see you with a bitch, I don't know if that's your type or
No,
if that's your.
if
You
me and
know?
you attack, you couldn't see me with nobody. You understand?
I've heard that a lot.
This is only for you, but all right.
Okay. But he's a 10.
He's a 10?
Yes.
Thank you. All of a sudden, what me do?
I don't know.
What me do?
You're gonna get him the cheat chicks. More at cheat chicks.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, big foot.
Big
Two
foot.
feet them I have.
No, it's like, take
Yeah.
two more. Take two more. Either. Right. And you can order online.
All right, so
I must see through my kind. I must see through my kind for real, you know, because all of a sudden,
At the hustling.
the hustling is hard.
them the one that hustle.
It's hard.
All right.
She and her dog. Yes, miss.
All right. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
My name's Nori.
Yeah.
And I popped the balloon because my chain's bigger.
Your chain bigger than
I got a
mine?
bigger chain than you, but
Oh,
you
no,
have
this
a
is
really
my weak
nice.
chain still.
What?
Yeah,
Your chain? You have a bigger chain than his?
it's bigger. So as a female, I need, it just don't work like that for me.
I don't know.
I don't understand. Is that a code?
No, if I'm rocking big jewelry, my man gotta rock big jewelry. But that's just my preference.
Chain.
Okay.
Pull out cheese tricks, baby.
But you do have I like your personality. I
Yeah.
can tell you're driven. You got your business, which I like that.
All right.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.
9?
You look good.
Rating both her.
Yeah, man. You know, I have a CDL, you know. And she's a heavy machine. So I could have managed. You see what I say?
Yeah. Who?
What that mean?
said you heavy, mommy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So happy.
Yeah. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Victoria. I like that you're a businessman. I like
Yeah.
how you have your chips. You came prepared. I don't like how you have the money in your hand.
Oh, me never get her chips. Which one do you like? The spicy? Like this? Which one are you eating right now?
I'll do the spicy.
Okay. Here.
Thank you. You see, they're
Yeah,
good.
you like it? Yeah.
These are your brand. Shout out to you made these chips.
Yeah,
These are yours?
I sell a lot of Caribbean stuff.
But okay.
Yeah.
Are you these are yours or you're selling it?
I'm a distributor.
Oh, you're distributing. So,
Yeah.
Okay.
So I work with the
Alright.
brands.
That kind of changes things.
Okay.
But I feel like you're a little too friendly. I don't know.
Okay, well, I mean,
I
I'm not
don't
trying to
really
be
like
mean to
friendly
everybody,
men.
you know?
You know, I feel like this. You don't have a type. Like that's a lie.
Okay.
Be for real. You definitely have a type.
What if I did something like everybody here, they'll be like, what? How if you like everybody
Like
here?
you see, you're being too friendly. I don't like that.
Alright,
Have a
then.
type. Have a
Oh, I'm too friendly.
specify. I like
Yeah.
a man that knows what he wants.
All right, then. I can't live with that.
So how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I like your style.
Yeah.
Cute.
Thank
I was saying 8.
Eight?
Eight,
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, what you think about her?
9, same way, you know?
9.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hola, mommy.
Hi. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Fifi. I popped the balloon because he's too friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like too womanizer.
Womanizer?
Womanizer. Gallus, yeah.
Alice.
Alright.
Snack.
See, you have a snack for everybody.
Yeah, and I have one for you.
Thank you. I love Bigfoot.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I rate him an 8 because he looks really good, yeah.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
What you like about him?
Everything. Like he's well put together.
Thank you.
Nice smile,
Yeah.
soft spoken, just too friendly.
Too friendly?
Yeah.
Alright, what you think about her?
Yeah, man. 9 out of 10, same, man.
9 out of 10.
Yeah. I mean, I like her outfit, you know. She put it together. She not Y2K era. She have the boots with the thing, you know. She all going good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for sure. Yeah, you can get a Bigfoot.
I didn't like this one.
No, for sure. All right.
Alright, Osla.
I'm sorry, so she pop fair balloon. I swear.
Should be sorry. So,
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
So my name is Miss Big, and I popped my balloon because I need a man that's reserving his resources for me alone, and you're giving everyone your resources. So
You know,
I don't really like that, right?
This is nothing. You should have come out the warehouse. That's what me want me watching, no, baby. Me and you did for start the show.
Well, you give everyone your resources, so it's not.
Oh, so you're not like him,
Yeah,
man.
she not like that. But me still have a Bigfoot for her
Why are you
still.
giving everybody,
A
you're
snack?
gonna come home now, you give everybody it for free, you're gonna come home with nothing. And what am I gonna get?
Everything.
You feel me?
Hold on, upon
But
this.
thank you. He gave me 2.
Yeah, because with that
So-
3 year style.
So how much should I rate him based on him appearance?
He has a really nice smile. He seems really sweet, and I love that you're doing your thing, I'd give him a 7.5.
7.
Good?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah? Okay. Alright, what do you think about her
10,
appearance?
Actually.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. I like
No,
how her
I'm a 10
makeup
for
look.
real.
Like I hear, I'm like everything about her. I'm like her outfit.
Me
Put
too.
together.
I know.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Nice still.
That good?
Like your smile.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You must see something right here.
I don't know.
Yeah, like a chemistry.
Yeah, Dembo, you see something right here.
Something can change, you know? We never know. But I really would have my eye
The
on.
world may never know.
Well, the show's soon done, so we can see what's going on.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so today you never get oh,
What you do to my career?
sorry, my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad.
To my God. Damn. You caused that. You caused that.
No, I'm never.
You caused
No.
it. Because she have a balloon for morning. You see, you corrupt her against me, my friend.
No, me never.
You
Oh.
corrupt her against me. Because she that pre the chips. She did all right.
Alright, man, we'll find out why she
All
popped the
right.
balloon.
Go find out. Not in the earth.
Alright, so hold on. Your name? Why you pop the balloon? All of a sudden you had your balloon, but
My name
why?
is Barbie Bands. Hi, Bookie. I popped my balloon because y'all forgot that I was down here with my balloon. So I feel like he should have been more pressed. I feel like you was talking a lot to all the bitches. Excuse me, can I say that on YouTube? Okay. I felt like you was talking a lot to all the females in here when I clearly had my balloon waiting for you. I feel like you should have made it short, like boom, you were 7, you were 6, you were
Yeah.
3, you were you know, but you didn't.
Well, none of them on a 7 and 3, baby.
And patience is a virtue, and you didn't come down here for me, baby boo. So you gotta go.
All right, may I go out with
Bring the
Grace?
next man in.
Oh, so basically you're
Bring in
saying,
the next man.
all right, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, I give her a 7, you know.
You get a 7?
Good thing I popped my balloon, shit.
No, and that's
Good thing I popped my balloon,
no,
because he said she was a 10, she was a
10.
10, she was a 10. And then no, he said I'm a 7. Like,
My friend Heavy said he gotta go.
Okay.
She nice.
I mean, he a little heavy too, to be honest. Like,
Heavy?
trying to be funny, but
Try to be funny.
I ain't trying to be funny. I'm not trying to be funny.
Heavy meaning what that mean?
Heavy, like you could tell he don't work out for real.
He got titties. He got a little stomach. He got a little thing. Yeah.
You can just see it in his face. He don't work out.
Oh,
Okay.
Right here.
All right.
Yeah, nice to people. You know, come and give them snacks and I feed them.
You gotta lay off the chips, brother.
Yeah, the chips. Yeah.
All right, come to this side.
Some chips though.
I'm okay. I already had some.
Oh, you have some.
All right, come to this side.
Yeah. You never get none?
I got no snacks, and I probably rated
You have
you
the
the highest.
non-spicy big food?
Yeah, I have the
I
non-spicy
need
one.
5 spicy.
5 spicy. I don't have so much, baby. If I come out the warehouse.
Get all of them.
Yeah, can't get it.
The
Share it up
spicy?
with Yana. Share it up with Yana.
No. For me.
Yes, spicy.
I rated you the highest.
Yeah, come to this side, Maji.
Shall I put the big foot? Shall I put the big foot in her?
Huh?
Shall I put up the big foot there, so?
All right, so every female pop their balloon.
Yeah.
So you know what you have to do, right?
I feel walk with Grace, man.
Walk with Grace,
All right, my
Maji.
boss. Respect. All right, baby, later.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. One big up one Osmium Records, no man. Big up yourself, my G. Big up for the sponsor. Like 5-star hotel. Like pick up. Yo, me nah like, wanna go over there, follow him Instagram page. Any bad artist wanna come out right now, wanna be the next star, them got to know. 80,000 want to know, follow them right now. You have a chance to win $80,000. Oh gosh, why you there, sir? What you there, sir, do? Go over Osmium Records, no man. Them link right there, sir. Right? You see it? Yeah. Bring in the next mail for me now.
Alright.
Come to this side.
Cool. On a good, man. On a good, yeah.
Wait until him reach.
1 3.
Wait until
Them
him
tough.
reach right here, so come on. Alright, introduce yourself.
Hello, ladies. My name Night Runners. What's going on?
Alright, shout out to social.
My name Night Runners. You see me? Me there on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, everything. You see me?
Alright, my G. What type of work you do though?
I'm a videographer, producer, them type of thing there.
Alright, that's not bad. That's awesome. Alright. What's your type though?
What's my type?
Yeah, what's your type?
A headstrong woman.
Yeah, true. That's not bad. That's it?
That's our first thing, of course, looks, ambition.
Mm-hmm.
All of them look good, of course, you know that go already.
Alright, so we got some pops, so we have to go find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Yeah, man, I want 3, man.
Alright then. Who you want to start with first?
Start right there, so
Start right
business,
here?
man.
Alright, no problem. Alright.
So what going?
Hold on. Your name?
Miss Biggs.
Miss Biggs.
Yes, Miss Biggs.
Alright, why you pop the balloon?
He's just not my type.
He's not?
Nothing wrong with
No.
that.
I like your dreads. I like
Appreciate
your
it.
piercing. I'm just, with me, it's more like a little je ne sais quoi, and it's just not giving that.
Which is right. Which
Jenna
is
who?
right.
Je ne sais quoi? Yeah.
Je ne sais quoi. Okay.
Which is
Alright,
right.
so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give him a 6. He's not not
Respect.
bad looking at all, and I love his dreads.
6 out of
Appreciate
10?
that.
Yeah. He got style. I like his swag. I like his dreads.
Alright. Waiting about
Yeah,
how much
man.
did I rate her?
Yeah, right.
Don't play yourself.
Don't play myself. Me
No.
give you a 10, man. You're nice,
Exactly.
man. I real
Thank
talk,
you.
man. I love your outfit. I see you from before, man. I talk truth, man.
Yeah.
So I'm start here, so. No offense, no.
Alright, so you get a 10? Yeah. Alright, no problem. Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
CC. I didn't like the white on white.
Which is fine.
Yeah, but I like your style. You have a nice style.
Appreciate it.
The way you carry yourself is nice too.
I respect that.
Oh, white on white?
Yeah.
No, I feel like, and to be honest with you, Me usually know the white and white, but I threw a rush thing, me just threw on something, cause to be real, me did that far from here, so I just threw on something real quick. So
It's
yeah,
okay.
it's all good.
Yeah.
I ain't tripping.
Oh, so you want
see
to
me?
mix it up a little?
Yeah, man. Just follow me up on Instagram. You can see the real me. I just a quick something this.
So much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him a 6.2. I like how he 6.5 because of how you carry yourself.
See there? I love it.
You're very
6.5.
respectful. You're not, you didn't be like,
No, man, never that. Man, that grow me good, man.
Yes, that's good.
Alright, what you think about her based on her appearance?
Nice to man. 10, same way.
10?
Yes, man.
Oh, thank you.
I love the person. I love how you speak.
Thank
Same way you love how me talk. I love that. Yeah.
Alright.
We're going again. Your hair nice too.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Fifi. I popped the balloon because you're too skinny for me.
That's dope. I like that too. I used to work out, but I don't like the bulk, so that's why I'm gonna stick to my. Yeah, this will work. This
it's
worked
just
for
like
me.
you need to eat a little bit more.
No, man,
because
good
you have a
man.
nice face,
I
a nice
appreciate it.
smile.
Appreciate it.
Oh, so you're just too slim?
Yeah, too
Which is fine. Follow my Instagram because I'm starting my journey back on my workout, so you'll see that too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
Then
so-
3 months from now, she's gonna be like, "Damn, I shouldn't have popped my balloon." You'll see.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Oh yeah, 6.5. He looks nice. You just need to eat more.
That's fine.
Oh,
Trust me, I love cook. Me, a certified chef, so trust me, me eat well heap of food.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so what you think about her based on her appearance?
You me give her 7.5.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice still, you know. It's not, I like more melanin, closer to melanin.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Tosh.
How you doing, Tosh?
Hey. So the nose ring, kind of linky.
That's cool.
Linky?
But skinny. For my type.
What's a linky?
Skinny.
Oh.
You know, Linky.
Oh, okay. Okay, I understand.
Balloon him just a go answer.
Alright, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
You can get a 7. I can't really see your face because your hair's in your face. Yeah, you have nice skin.
Appreciate it. I take care of my skin. I'm very
And your
important.
smile is nice. Just the nose ring.
Sure, yeah.
And automatically, instantly, but
Good. Alright, what you think about her appearance?
Like Miss. Nice. Me give her a 10.
10? Yeah?
Yeah, I love your smile, love your shape. I'm gonna assume you're natural.
Alright?
of course.
Of course, me can't tell.
Alright.
Nice.
Hello, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Victoria. Let me start with a
Victoria.
positive. I like what you said about what you look for in a woman, like ambition more than just like looks. But I think the goatee just scared me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
That's cool.
I mean,
Yeah, no, you're good, man.
maybe is that I don't know, but I mean, you
That's
seem
just
like
my
a dope
thing.
person. But yeah.
Yeah,
that's
man.
me
And
with the
everybody
goatee.
has a relationship. Enough people are just friends and them thing in their life,
Yeah,
you
we
know?
could be friends,
Of course.
Oh, so him gold teeth?
The
No, my
goatee. The
goatee.
goatee.
Oh, the gold.
goatee,
yeah.
Okay. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
When I say like 7.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
7. Alright, what you like about him?
I think like his energy, good energy, genuine soul. I like
Very
that.
much so.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. What you think about her appearance? Based
Yeah,
on
8.5.
8.
Thank you.
8.5. But what you like about her?
I'm not gonna lie, it's just our talk and you see me. Here you're outside and me, I talk to your dog and I think you call the dog a name.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I wish you know about yard, I call the dog a, I don't want to say the name when you call the dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, so she in tune with the culture, so I give her 8.5 for all of them.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
be rude. I
You
want
do it right here, yeah.
type shit. You
What
feel
is
me?
it?
Like I like to be respectful.
Right.
That was kind of rude for him to just walk in and everybody just pop. I wanted to at least wait till he got to my face.
Right.
Oh, so you wanted to pop the balloon in front of him first?
Of course. I love
So
that.
you feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Like
I'm
this
on
just
it.
rude. Like I would at least want to let him,
Alright. Okay, I don't understand, but alright.
It's like I like to be straightforward up front. I feel like it's me. I'm a Cancer, so I feel like it's me just to pop it as soon as they walk in. So I at least let them talk, come down, then poop. But I popped it because I'm not a huge fan of dreads. Like I can deal with them, but I'm not like a big fan of dreads. But I give you like a 7, 8.
Appreciate
And I
it.
fuck with the vibes.
Always.
7, 8. Okay,
Yeah.
that's not good bad.
That's not bad.
That's not what you think about her appearance.
Barbie, yeah, Barbie, I've been 10 in a long time.
10?
10.
No,
You
you're
know if I
saying a
say
10
10.
or
I
he?
was answering for him.
You know if I answer for me, Barbie, you don't know I already say a 10. Stop it. Calm.
Alright.
But you know I said she stay one. Barbie, big up yourself.
I love you too, babe.
Alright.
Way
Your
back.
name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Toxic.
How you doing, Toxic?
I'm fine. I just pop the balloon because true, I don't really know if I make I tell stew. I'm a pleaser. You understand? I can't please you like that.
Which is
so,
right.
Yeah, so when I learn how to make the I tell stew, I come check you back. So
See?
I can get a 10.
Oh, say you pop the balloon because you don't know how to cook that.
For him to his type
Me a
of...
chef, you know. You never know that.
Okay.
Certified chef
If
in
me
a
didn't
real
know,
life.
would I keep my balloon?
Respect that. You want to
Yeah.
take back your balloon or no?
Not
No, man,
right
you're
now.
good.
True, me don't like
You're
to go
good.
back way,
No,
like, you know?
me just like I
Yeah,
said,
we
I
just
keep
move
it.
forward, yeah.
I rate that.
You
Let me
know?
show you something. That's
So,
what a
yeah.
king's supposed to do. A king's supposed to teach his woman how
No,
to.
but a queen is supposed to
Right,
feed
you're
her
gonna
man.
know, but what you don't know, that's where I would come in and bring it to that level.
You're right, and I'm
All right.
sorry.
Yeah, man,
So
which is good,
it's
man,
a 10
isn't it?
for me, but
Ah.
the balloon is already popped. So.
No, man, that's no
What
problem.
you think about her appearance? So
I
how much
love
should I
it,
rate
man.
her?
Me give her- Sweet, to be honest, me give her 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
And a half or just
No.
9?
You know why you get the 9.5?
Yeah.
Because you asked me a persistent.
Okay.
I love that about you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Alright.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Nori, and I popped the balloon because it's just I have a different, taste. Like
Which
you
is
look
fine.
good, but it's the dreads and the goatee.
Which is fine, yeah, man.
But
That's cool.
everybody has their own style.
Right.
Okay, alright, so you're not digging style.
Yeah, I mean it's cool. It's just my preference. So.
Alright, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Like a 6.5.
Dope. That's nice.
6.5. Alright,
Respect
not bad,
that.
not bad.
That's
Rate him
good.
about her appearance.
She's nice, you feel me? She's different. Not what
Thank
I'm used to,
you.
but she's nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. The dog is a plus, Love
Thank
animals.
you.
So.
My baby.
Yeah, man.
How much should I rate her?
Because she have the dog with her, me give her 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's a dog person.
Not really it's a
Put the
dog, but
dog
animal,
aside.
Without the dog, she want to know the rating
Yeah,
without the dog.
All right, 7.5.
Okay.
Yeah, get
Yeah?
0.5 for your dog.
So the dog really makes something different.
Huh? No, I mean everybody got their preference,
Yeah.
which is cool.
She's nice too, but you know what I mean? But like melanin, you know what I mean? Which is nothing wrong with that, yeah.
Alright. Alright, come to this
Alright,
side.
Yeah, man. Barbie. You know I got you, babe.
Alright, so Ross.
Yeah, man.
Everybody pop their balloon.
Which is cool.
So you know what you have to do.
Take myself on
Walk with grace.
Yeah. Y'all are so sweet.
Alright. So people, I apologize. Oops, a female had to step out because of emergency, okay? Right? Wanna go to that? Alright then. Send in the next male for me now. Can wait until him reach out here, sir? See me here? Wait until him reach out here, sir? Whoa! Come on! Wait until him reach. Oh my. Introduce yourself.
Name is Rinson. Mike, alright though.
Yeah.
Fully.
Alright. What's your type though?
You already know, just a honest girl, a fun girl and all of that. Beautiful, same way,
What type of job you do?
Certified chopper.
Certified.
You said you was a chopper?
Fully.
Okay.
Give me a second. Give me a minute. Alright. So we're gonna find out why them pop them balloon, okay? Alright. Just use the mic, alright?
Yeah, man. Ready.
Alright, so we'll start right here.
Okay.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Miss Big. I popped the balloon because I need an honest guy. I need a guy that makes an honest living. I want to be a stay-at-home wife, and I don't think chopping lifestyle can guarantee that. So, yeah.
No problem. You're good.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
He's clean. I'd give him a 7.
That good.
That good?
Mhm.
Rate him about her appearance, based on her appearance. How much should I rate her?
I mean, I'll just give her 5, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. The
Why?
makeup too much. Too
What?
much. Yeah.
All right. Makeup.
Mm.
You good?
I'm great.
She great, man.
I'm
Of
perfect.
course.
All right. All right.
Don't lie.
Your name? Why pop the balloon?
CC. He's just not my type.
Okay.
What's your
all right.
type, Cece?
You're just not that.
All right. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him a 5. But he's clean, he's nice, just not what I would go for.
All right. All right. What you think about her appearance?
No, I think she cute still, isn't me?
Thank you.
Yeah. Like our face, our lips, our smile and all that. She clean, see me. See me. Should I get that 7? Is it?
Thanks.
7 out of 10.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
I'm Fifi. I pop the balloon because he's not my type.
He's not your type. All right. Now, based on him appearance though, how much should I rate him?
I would rate him a 5.
5. Why 5?
I don't like his beard.
Yeah, like man with beard?
No, it's weird. It's cut weird. I never seen it like that. Stop laughing.
Stop.
Yeah, it's just I don't know. I never seen a beard like that. So sorry. I mean, but you clean though. Yeah. It's just like not my type.
So just the beard and I like.
Oh, the beard.
His
You
hair?
don't like
The
man with
ponytail.
dreads, right?
Oh, you not like him ear also?
Huh?
Like his
You not like
ear too?
hairstyle?
Yeah, the hairstyle.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. What you think?
A simple
Clean
fix that say like man with them ear, beard gone and all that.
No, it's just I never seen a beard like that. Never seen it like.
Oh, so if he took off the beard, would he be your type?
I don't know. I gotta see it though. Maybe he needs to grow it all out and stop. Yeah, I need to see it. But you know,
I mean that good still, isn't it? It's
yeah.
fair preference. She don't like man with beard, and that's okay. Me don't like girl with their hair look like a mop still, cause I was looking at it. You get me?
It looks like a mop.
Yeah, like it kind of like it flat down. You know them mop them
Yeah.
use on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your hair kind of look like a mop. So I'm not too like that.
Yeah, I don't like sassy man.
Yeah,
I
that.
don't like men who go tit for tat with a woman.
I'm not tit for tat. I just shoot. You tell me saying I like my beard, me not like your hair. It's cool.
All right. How much should I rate her?
3. A 3, bro.
That's fine.
I was being nice earlier. I give you a 2.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's just
We're being a lot. I think we're gonna be very brutally honest with these guys.
Yeah. You should.
Alright, talk to you next one.
All right. All right. All right. All right. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
Tosh Bratzdal.
Hi, Tash.
Hey.
Oh,
Yeah. So I don't want to be fighting for the spotlight
Mhm.
when we go out. And I don't want you in the mirror too much. It just seems you seem very like full of yourself, conceited, and I like a man that's like toned down and just not out there like that.
Gotcha. Appreciate it.
All right. So how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
You can get a 7.
Thank you. Appreciate it. No, she get a 8, isn't me? I like her.
What you like about her?
Well, you know, she honest and she look very natural to me, you know. Yeah, I like it.
To you and everybody else.
Thank you. You see that?
What else?
Your teeth, smile, your lips, everything just look good.
So why is it an 8?
You know, say she don't get that 10 for real. Take it back. You get that 10.
No, keep your 8.
Why?
And you get a 5, 3,
3?
2, 1.
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I should have got the 10 in the first place.
All right, that good.
You're
That good.
confused.
A little bit.
You trying to take the other 2. See? You still trying to take the spotlight.
All right. All right. All right.
Next person.
Oh. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Victoria. I just felt like I don't know. I mean, you seem like a nice person. You said something about a chopper. Whatever a chopper is, I don't know. I don't like.
Oh, you don't know what's a chopper?
No, what's a chopper?
We bang the
she
line.
gave me like a what?
We bang the line.
Can you?
We
okay.
dial 24/7.
He calls people for a living.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. I get where you're going. You see, I have my ex was a little bit like that. It just didn't really work out. So you remind. So yeah, a little PTSD. So, but you seem like a nice guy.
Oh, your ex was just like that, call people. He's a chopper too.
Yeah.
Okay. So much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
6.5.
Wait.
You got a big schlong, so maybe that'll make the situation better.
I got a big who?
A big who?
A big schlong. I feel like men that be talking shit to women, they talk shit because they got a big dick. Because ain't no with a small dick gonna say her hair looks like a mop. You gotta have a big dick to talk shit, cause ain't no way. Because if you do and you talk it, that's crazy.
Okay.
You talking shit with a small dick, baby, that's crazy. Okay.
Okay, wait.
Like,
I don't know. I can't see.
'cause
I can't see the
it,
dick
so I
print
don't know.
either.
Yeah, we don't see it.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, not too.
Yeah,
you don't need no
it's
feeling
not
right
even-
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So based on her appearance, what do you think?
I think she's beautiful.
Thank you.
How much should I rate her?
7. 7 is a lucky
7,
number for
good?
me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good for you.
And everyone's entitled to their own opinion. So.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All
Your
right,
name?
my turn now.
Your
It's toxic.
Why you pop the balloon?
Why I popped the balloon? Oh, I forgot. I forgot. Yeah.
You forgot why you popped the balloon?
Yeah, it was a long time ago because they took long to come up here. But I don't know. I had a lot to say, but I forgot.
Oh.
Yeah. I was kidding.
Oh, so you don't want back your balloon because he's a chopper?
No, I never wanted my balloon back. I was just talking shit.
Oh.
Yeah.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
You can get a 10.
I appreciate that.
All right. Based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Should I get a 10 too? Should we get a 10? Maybe a 10.
But if I didn't give you a 10,
You don't still get a 10.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name's Nori, and I pop my balloon just because my type's different. I have a different type.
Oh, he's not your type.
No.
All right. So based on him appearance, what do you think about him?
Like a 6.
6. Why 6?
He's not bad looking at all. It's just I have a particular type. So
All right. All right. What do you think about her appearance?
All right, so real thing still. I mean,
what's the pause?
because him say when I think about your appearance, I mean, I
Okay,
think
you gotta
about your
think
appearance.
hard.
Yeah, you know. Anyway, I would pop my balloon for you still, isn't me? If me have one balloon, I would pop it back for you. See me, how me and your
Why?
type. I mean, you weren't really my type too, isn't me?
Mhm.
Yeah, me not too.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I don't know, me not like how she shape. Sorry.
How I'm shaped.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like your surgeon come from Sheen.
Oh wow. You're rude. Like you're really rude because I held back a lot. To like your jewelry is fake as fuck.
No, that's-
Your chain looks fake.
Mhm.
So I didn't yeah.
But that's it.
Like
But
you
that-
mad arrogant.
I know, I
Very OD. Okay, you
I
can get
know.
on my face.
Okay. All right. So you how much should I rate her?
-0, bro. Too much fitness, bro.
-0?
Hmm? Fox.
All right.
That's what we do. Take off your eyeglass and look on her.
All right. All right.
Before I
-0, my G.
violate.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Come down to this side. Okay. Come. All right. So, whoa. Everybody pop their balloon. So you know what you have to do.
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace.
Respect.
Get the step. That's the boots.
People, wanting to rate the lineup. Me nah lie. Florida lineup versus New York lineup, okay? Rate the lineup, no man. Tell me if Florida come out. You know? Female wanna think. Female, tell me how me though. Tell me if the male lineup is good, okay? Be honest. Don't hold back, okay? Okay? Alright, so remember, you know, big up one Osmium Records, yeah? Any upcoming artist, reach out, no man, make sure you follow him on Instagram. Remember, I'm give away $80,000. Just follow him. Your chance that man. Get rich, no man. Yeah, let's do this. Bring in the next mail for me now. We can wait until him reach right here, so please.
Before I go early.
All right, Muji. Introduce yourself.
Nick Yardy. What's up, ladies?
All right. Nice. That's your social. Shout out your social.
Nick Yardy. Damn. Nick Yardy everywhere.
All right, that good. What's your type though?
I like a girl that's down to earth.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? A feminine woman.
That good. All right, not bad. What type of work you do?
I'm a creator. Social media creator.
If you were supposed to get one of these girls and match with, what's the first place you're gonna do? Like bring them on a date?
I like to do dinner dates, like for first dates.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a
And
dinner dates type of guy.
do you have a budget when you're going on a date?
I mean, it depends. Depends on the restaurant, but I wouldn't say like a budget. It just all depends on where we're going.
All right, so we got a pop. So we're gonna find out why they pop. Okay.
Yeah, let's see why she popped it.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name's Victoria. I feel like men that make content, like most content creating men, they're just toxic.
But me never said me a content creator before she pop it.
Yes, you did.
She
You
popped
say-
it before.
No, you said content
On
creator.
the run back the tape.
All right. Nice. That's your social. Shout out the social.
Nick Yardy.
What type of work you do?
I'm a creator.
Okay.
Did you say content creator?
I said a creator, but she
Creator,
popped.
he said
I feel like
creator.
she popped it before though.
Creator. Because I feel like men that are like make content, like I feel like for me personally, because I'm a content creator as well, I feel like it has to be like someone that's not in that lifestyle for it to be like a serious relationship. Because like I feel like from my experience with content creators, just like it's and plus y'all
That's because you
Jamaican
never met
men.
me. You never met me though.
Okay. All right. So based on him appearance though, how much did I rate him?
I would say fly. I'll give 10. Fly, cute. Okay, I'm gonna give it, but it's the content part. The content creator that just it does it for me.
You don't like that?
Yeah, no.
All right. What you have to say about that?
I feel like you can't judge a book by its cover.
True.
You feel me? I don't know.
Yeah.
Based on her appearance, what you think about her?
I mean, let me see. Can we get a 360?
Damn!
Give her a 10 now, really. Give her a 10. I'll go around this one.
Whoa. I heard say you 10. Why?
It looked like a 10.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna find out why she bought the balloon. Your name? Why you popped the balloon?
My name is Miss Biggs. I popped the balloon because you look like a gallus. Like you have women in rotation. Like you are not emotionally available. You just toxic. You be fucking with their heads. Like you look like you will mush up somebody's life.
You look for me, you see that?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
When you look for me, what you say will make you feel
I'm
like she was
just
a gallus?
like, because I'm just tapped in with like, I can feel vibes and I'm just getting that vibe from you. And then the whole 360 spin thing, I don't like when guys do that.
You don't like that?
No, I don't like that. And then like all the jewelry and stuff, I like a guy that's more subtle, a little subtle.
We can put in the jewelry.
No, you shouldn't wear it. I like
Really?
subtle. I like a subtle guy, yeah. And you probably are a really nice guy, but I like a more subtle guy, and yeah.
Like a relaxed,
Yeah.
simple.
I've dealt with guys
When I
like
say a
you.
big girl, they show where I come from, so isn't it?
I've dealt with guys like you before. Like I know what I'll be getting
You never
myself.
deal with a man like me
I
yet.
have.
So based on him appearance,
So like a drive-by in a early.
how much did I rate him?
No, he's really handsome, and he put himself together good. I'll give him.
Take out the jewelry when I'm done.
I'll give him, because I feel like I've been too nice. I'll give him.
Too nice. Remember I said what happened before, now nothing to do with me, you know.
Oh,
Look, I said she carry some trauma, you know. Woman carry trauma in her rolling.
You see, women carry trauma. See, I know your type. I'm gonna give you an 8.
Not bad.
I don't like the whole woman carry trauma comment.
They do.
All right.
And men don't.
No, men do too.
Okay.
Based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Or like Raider?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a 10. I like the style. Like I like how she put herself together. I like
Thank
the
you.
pants.
You from New York?
The fit. I'm a Jamaican man.
You're not from New York.
We have a whole heap of family in New York.
Yeah, you gave me a New York vibe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I know New York niggas. Yeah,
I'm kind of. I'm not in.
You connected, so
yeah,
yeah,
not for sure,
yeah.
But I like the fit though. Like I give her a 10 for sure.
10.
Thank you. I
All
appreciate
right. All right. Got a pop. Go down the line. Right here. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Tosh Bratstall. You could leave it in. Just leave it in, because that's a part of the
think about
problem
it.
right there.
Damn.
Yeah. You flashy, but
But you have on jewelry too.
it's on me. The mic on me.
Okay.
Yeah. So you flashy, right? And then you're emotionally unavailable. You're very argumentative. Yes. You see, you're butting right now. You're ifing and butting right now. You're arguing, right? So, and then I feel like I've seen you somewhere before, and then you're like a on the scene type of guy. I need somebody behind the scenes.
You want him behind the camera?
Behind the camera. And you're just out there. You just seem very out there. You seem like you could be a nice guy. I like your dimples. You dress nice. The fit nice. Everything is nice. But just, you got flashy with the chains and then the mouth and the arguments and stuff.
All right, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
You get a 10.
But all of that, and you give him a 10?
Yeah, because then I like the outfit. The chain is tucked in. That's probably why he got the 10. And the dimples, yeah.
All right.
When he's quiet, he's a 10, I feel like. For real. I don't like to argue.
Okay, all right. What do you think about her based on her
John,
appearance?
really. So hold on. I got a question though. What made you feel like I'm emotionally detached?
Because of your responses when they said what they said pertaining to the trauma, you blamed it on them.
No, I wasn't. I was saying that women carry trauma, but I also said men do too.
Correct. After the fact of they asked you something, he said, you feel like it's only women, and you said, men do too. It's like you didn't really want to say it. It's kind of like you said, I'm sorry you feel that way.
No. I genuinely meant like men carry trauma and women do too.
Yeah.
The reason why I said women carry trauma is because she said I've been too nice. So I felt like that was because of something that prior happened. You feel me? In reality, because I feel like I'm definitely emotionally like there.
Okay.
When it comes to a relationship, that's how I feel. I might not come off like that, but I feel like I am. But
based
so
on
you
her
want to answer
appearance?
something else?
But her
Appearance. I give her a 10. I like her style too. I
Don't
like her
get
style
bright.
too. What is that?
Don't get bright.
I give you a 10.
No, you gonna say
I ain't
something
gonna lie,
else.
she's feisty.
No, I'm not.
I'm kind of afraid of her. She look like she
Yeah?
beat man.
She beat man?
She look like she beat man.
So you know like that?
No. What's your sign?
I'm a Virgo.
All right, we got the next one already.
Yeah?
We got the next one.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Cece, and I popped my balloon because he said something about you never dealt with a guy like me, and when guys say that, it's been plenty of them. So, yeah.
Oh, I understand. Like him, he's that person trying to escape from it.
Yeah.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 10. He's very handsome, clean. He answers very respectful and intelligently. So, yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what do you think about her based on her appearance?
Like rate her? You give her a 10, man.
Why?
I like the style. I like the ricks. I like the skirt, you know what I mean? I feel like the reason why I said though, I'm different. I'm confident, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I'm not saying more than nobody, but
Heard
All
it,
right.
heard it all
confident
before.
that it is, I mean.
Heard the same thing, same
I respect
words.
it. I respect it.
Yeah.
I respect it.
All right. All right, come down to this side. All right. So every female that pop their balloon, walk with grace for me now. All right, my G. So we have 3 females here, right? So you're gonna have the option right now to pop 1 female balloon. Based on a question, you're gonna ask her a question and see if it's a match or what.
Okay.
All right. Who's it gonna start with?
You start right here.
Right here. All right. What's the question?
So I have to ask her a question. All right. Now I'll ask her, what do you look for in a man?
What did I look for?
I'm looking for an honest man, a funny man, and like a hardworking man.
Okay.
All right.
That's real.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. What's the question for her? Your name?
It's toxic.
What's her name?
Toxic.
Toxic? Wait, why do they call you toxic? That's my question.
I'm a Gemini, and
January.
yeah. Oh, you want the
Gemini?
What that mean? What that mean?
She a Gemini.
What that mean?
You know what that mean? That's the most toxic sign. I mean, and her name is toxic.
right?
All right. That's the question. You're good?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
All right. What's the question for her? Your name?
Nori.
All right, my question for her, Nori. Mr. Moa Asar. If we're like in the bedroom,
Okay.
is the dog gonna be in the room with us?
Yes. It's my dog's world.
Like I'm saying, like while we like in there hunching?
Oh, no, I'll put him out the bed, but he
Like
sleeps
outside the
with
room
me every
or just
day.
out that bed? Like he gonna be outside the room?
Yeah, but he sleeps with me.
Okay.
It's his bed.
All right.
Yeah.
That's it.
So the dog off in the room door?
That what?
Like while you guys are sleeping together, the dog has to be in the room?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, if we intimate, no, but
Well, if you guys are just regular sleeping.
yeah.
The
So
dog's
you-
cute though.
Huh?
The dog's cute.
Okay. So accept the dog in the room.
But I don't know what that's
Oh, okay. All right. All right. So we're down to 3. So I'm gonna make you pop 1 female balloon. Okay?
Pop a balloon, man. Cause look, I say you're ready for pop it. Look how she have the pin for the balloon.
I'm gonna hand it to you because I realized you didn't have one.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Pop 1 female balloon.
All right, I'm gonna pop that one yeah. Cause that dog. I scared the dog. My bad. I'm sorry. I feel like she gonna love the dog more than me really, isn't it?
All right. Based on the
dog
dog.
of our art.
Oh, so the dog make you pop the balloon.
Yeah, no, the dog cute in it, boy. Look like say. Would you choose me over the dog?
Let's go.
I don't think she would.
I
You
don't
ready? She gotta
know.
think about it, Rolly.
I
Is
don't
it she
know
gotta think
you.
about it?
I don't know you. I gotta like
But if
really
me-
get to know
if I'm your
somebody,
man,
you know. Maybe of like years,
How many years?
like years.
Years after no matter really. I dog, I think.
So how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
She
though?
a 10, Rolly. Well, that
Thank
girl them
you.
thick man. She a 10.
10?
Yeah, 10.
Based on his appearance, how much should I rate him?
10.
10.
Yeah.
That's why you kept the balloon?
Mhm.
Wow. All right. Walk with grace for me now, please. Walk with grace.
Damn.
All right. So it's down to 2. They're going to get a
walk
chance
away.
now to ask you a question. We're going to see if it's a match or what. Okay?
Okay.
Your question to him.
Are you freaky?
I would
Yeah.
say so. I would say so.
All right.
I would say I'm like one of the freakier Jamaicans.
Why you look like that?
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. My bad. I don't control this. Sorry, my bad. All right. That's the question.
Oh, she want to know me freaky. Yeah, man.
What do you mean? Like, is that a code for you to ask him that?
A coat?
Yeah, like a code why you ask him?
I need to know, like, if a man is freaky or not.
Why?
Because I'm freaky. They gotta match my freak.
Like extra or regular thing, regular?
Like, not like crazy
We're not
freaky.
going too extra, do I know?
Yeah. Like, not too crazy, but like, you know, like normal freak. Not crazy freak. Like, you know, they like
Okay.
I don't know how to explain
I
it.
don't know. I don't know. No, don't mix me. Sorry about that. Don't mix me. All right. Question to him.
Should I say my name again or just ask the question?
No.
Okay. So my question to you, what's your name?
Nick.
Nick. So my question is, can I don't know, can one woman satisfy you?
For sure. I think so.
You think so? If you found
Yeah.
the right woman, she could, you know,
Yeah.
you not going to cheat and stuff like
We
that.
do all of that already, man.
Okay.
I
How
feel
old
like
are you?
I'm 29.
Okay.
I feel like I've had enough women. I'm ready for settle down there, isn't it?
Okay.
That's it?
I guess
Yeah?
you said one question.
I like our dimple.
No, you have no more question?
I have a lot of questions, but it's not 21 questions.
All right. All right then. All right. So it's up to you guys right now. You guys are staying.
Are we fighting? We gotta fight over him?
No, I just want to know. Are you guys, any of you, gonna pop your balloon? No? Keeping it? All right. This is the first, my G. We have 2, and they're really rooting for you. Okay. So we're gonna narrow it down.
So I have to pop one.
Yes, you have to pop one. Based on what kind of vibes you go with right now.
All right. But not lie. She's definitely a 10.
Yeah?
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like her. It look like she's freaky too, but I feel like the question that she asked, it wasn't like as important for a relationship. You feel me?
Oh, so the question was too out there?
Yeah, like it never really that important. I feel like when it comes to a relationship.
So, but I don't
But I
know.
mean, she's beautiful though.
I'm a Gemini, so I'm a freak. I need to be
Oh
a
yeah,
freak.
that too. She a Gemini.
All
I
right.
forgot.
Bye.
She never ripped me though.
Well,
She gone.
she gone. All right. Sorry about that. My bad. All right. So basically, I want to ask the big question. Before I ask the big question, though, any question you want to ask him?
I don't want to know nothing. No, it's just a match for me.
It's a match for you?
It's a match for me.
All right. Let me ask you. Is it a match for you?
It's a match, Rolly.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match? We have a match? Yeah, we have a match. Can we get that? All right. So we have a first match, people. All right, so I don't know. Osmium Records sponsor this video. So you might deal with no right. You might deal with no good. You see, just make sure to follow him on Instagram. For make sure you can win this $80,000, okay? Yo, walk with grace together for me now.
Yeah, man. Respecting her, Rolly.
Yeah. All right, so people, Osmium Records are gonna do them first date anywhere they wanna go. If they wanna fly out of the country, he's gonna do that, okay? Cause Osmium Records not play. Yeah. Make sure to leave a like. Make sure to rate the lineup. Man, not lie. I don't know which part we want to go next. Me need them for comment below. Which hometown we need for pull up in a fly up in a anything. You know? Are you ready for the next mail? Ready? All right, send in the next mail for me now. Please, we can't wait until him reach right here. Can we? Come to the side here. All right. Introduce yourself.
Hello, good night. My name is Butter. What are you guys doing?
All right. What type of job you do, Butter?
You know, me just step on the social media freestyle.
Freestyle. What's your type, though? What's your type?
What's my type? It's whatever God said for me, you know. Yeah.
Whoa. All right. Butter. Shout out the social. Shout out the social.
Butter 876.
All right, so we got some pops, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go. This side, Maji.
This side.
Yeah. Your name why you pop the balloon?
CC. I didn't like that he said he did. I mean, I get that he doesn't have a type, but the fact that he's okay with just anything is like, no.
It's not really what anything, you know. We just never want to describe, you know.
Okay.
All right, so based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
I'm gonna give him a 3. He has a nice style, but he's way shorter than me, and I like fresh lineups, fresh haircuts.
A 3?
Yeah,
Because of him haircut?
and he's very short.
All right, based on our appearance, what do you think about that?
Boy, well, give me a 3, you know. I'll give a 0 to, you know.
You get a 0?
Yeah, 0.
Aw, you mad?
No, I don't, man.
Aw, Pooh.
I don't, man.
Aw.
No, because of your boot.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
You feel that
inside that
way.
one wipe off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, do you need a shoulder? You want a hug? Oh.
Do what?
So you get a 3. 0?
Yeah, 0.
And why?
Hmm?
Because our shoes?
Yeah, it's not only that. Yeah, she taller than me too. Yeah.
She taller than you?
Yeah.
Alright. Find out why them pop the balloon. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Victoria, I just don't know. The energy seems a little off for me. I feel like it's a little like negative. I don't know. Not really a good vibes right now. I just feel like
The energy.
not my type. Yeah,
Okay. Based on him appearance though, how much you rate him?
I would say a 6. And that's also like the height. My ex was short, and if I'm gonna get cheated on, it's gonna have to be by at least a tall guy. Like you have to draw the line somewhere.
Okay. Also, once he's tall, he can cheat on you.
Tall and like maybe some money. Yeah.
Alright. Wait, what do you think about her based on her appearance?
What she said, tall and some money?
Yeah.
So how you know my pocket stay?
Oh, okay. What you trying to say? Are you a trick?
No, I'm not trying to say no. You said tall and some money, like,
Okay.
you know my login fee bank, so you can't know my pocket stay.
Okay. Are you a trick though, or no?
No.
You're not a trick.
Mhm.
Okay, you can go to the next one.
So how much you rate her?
Much me rate her? I give her a 4.
4 out of 10?
Why?
Yeah, 4 out of 10. Turn on for me.
No.
Alright, I'm tell you the truth. You all lean to one side. So I don't know. For your brother do your body or something, you just lean to one side. So if I do, you don't do good.
Okay.
Yeah, move on to next, please.
Next.
Okay. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
My name's Nori, and you're just a little, rude. I feel like you're gonna eat me up right now.
Oh, so you're kind of.
He's getting ready.
Oh, so you're saying you're scared?
No, I've taken a lot today.
Okay.
No, but you pop a balloon before we
Huh?
speak,
I don't know. It's the demeanor, I guess, for me. The demeanor.
Just demeanor?
The attitude, yeah.
His attitude is not matching.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
Me? Oh, okay. Like a 6. Yeah.
6. But you get a 6?
Get a 6. Like it 20 plan feet, man, because 20 just as a 6. I'm just see 20 as small, you don't want that. Planting.
It's so hard for me to understand.
All right. So you don't understand?
No, I understand it, but I gotta hear it slowly. Like,
He's saying that you guys plan to give him a 6.
no, not at all.
All right. So, what do you think about her based on appearance?
Yeah, she good, but I'm not date money puppy.
The puppy.
Yeah.
What's wrong with the puppy?
No, I just don't date money the dog.
You don't like dogs?
No.
Why?
I just my style.
That's like a red flag for me. Cause like if you don't like animals, I feel like you don't have a big heart, and I'm very into good spirited people. Like
You like a person that love animals.
yeah, that means a lot for me.
Okay. All right. What?
No, I don't like coffee.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Come down
All
to
right,
this
thank
side. Your name? Ready? Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Tosh Bratstall.
Why you pop a balloon?
Cause you being rude, and we look like we wear the same size shoes.
No, we are same
And I
size.
don't like the labels hanging out. I don't like the flashiness.
I can't stop it and I'm build clothes.
Okay.
Yeah, you cover the pants.
It's my turn to talk,
All right.
not yours. And you still being rude. Okay? And you said you don't work, and bills got to get paid.
All right. That's the reason why you pop the balloon?
Yes, because he just keeps sizing everybody up. Too bright.
All right. So, based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
Five, his shoe size.
Oh, you rate him a 5 because shoe size is 5?
Yes, and your waist too small. You know why I know what your waist size is? Because your tag is out.
Oh, yeah, I shop.
I don't like rude guys. You look like you're trying to get rude with me. Bite the gum. Bite the gum.
All right, so Butter, based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
All right, give me a 360 there, please.
Nope, thank you.
Why not?
Because that should not determine. Look at my face.
No, you can't.
Look
just-
at me from the front, because that's how you see me coming.
No, I can't determine from your front. I don't want to see all of you.
Okay.
Yeah. You can't look good from front and don't look good from back, you know. Yeah. So, give me a 360.
You can have a 360.
Can I have a
Not for you
360?
to have, because I popped my balloon anyways.
How much did I rate her, Butter?
How much would I rate her? You know, some of that give her a 3. Look like she and my son were the same size.
3?
Yeah.
Come on.
3. She and my son were the
Because
same
of my shoe size?
Yeah.
I
You,
wear,
you judge me by my shoe size. Hold on,
Alright.
my time to talk. You just tell me that. Calm down. You just judge me by my shoe size. So why me can't judge back by your shoe size?
Because I did not compare you to anybody. You compared me to a little boy.
Yeah, correct.
Look at my size. I'm
It's a
little.
little size.
Okay, well, just in case you want to buy me some shoes, 6 in women, 4.5 in kids, since you got a problem.
All right.
Aye.
To this side. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
My name is Miss Big. I popped the balloon because I just felt like you were a little too feisty. I don't like a guy that goes back and forth with women. It's a turn off for me. So yeah.
Yeah.
That alone?
Yes, and please don't come over here with your rudeness because you do not want me to tell you nothing bad. Please.
All right, so based on him.
Calm yourself.
Me answer everybody just like everybody else.
I'm just saying you were a bit.
No, you calm down, you know, your time gone. Yeah.
All right, so
You were just a bit. Damn it! You're a little feisty, and me and you, and I'm feisty too, and we're gonna be fighting all the time. So yeah.
all right, so how much did I rate him?
You have a very feisty mouth. Your mouth alone is gonna give you. I think I'll give you a 4. And it's okay. You could give me a 4 too. You could give me a 0. Do your thing. But yeah.
All right, based on her appearance, what you rate her?
No, I'm too bad if you say like she said me too spicy. You see me? I'm too bad if you say. But I never too spicy. We just react after everything
Yeah,
come
so
on.
see, with a man, you shouldn't be reactive. You're supposed to be able to kind of
No, you can't.
de-escalate
No,
things.
you can't do that. So
You
if me then in the house,
can't. Then you see,
and
then you're
you
not
clap
the
me in the
guy
head back,
for.
me if you just take your little
I
thing,
wouldn't.
come.
Don't give me a reason to, and I want to have to clap you and conk you in your head. But see, you giving everybody a reason to do that stuff to you.
Right.
You're very rude.
Yeah, how much you rate her? How much you rate her?
I give her a 6. Nah, complain.
Great.
Yeah.
I'm perfectly fine with that.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
If you have the balloon, yeah, because he's just
She can't talk up with me already.
too much. I don't even understand what he's saying.
He's saying talk up, you're little low.
Oh, yeah, I don't understand you. And it's just like, I figured he's just being rude to everybody. And I feel like it's because of his height and he's little. And I don't like that. You're a man, you should not go tit for tat with a woman. I feel like that's giving really sassy and really not man. And you don't work. And it's just so much. It's just so much. So much. I tried.
All right, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Ah, damn, I give him a 4.
All right,
So
4.
next question, you work?
Huh? I don't understand.
He's saying if you work, do you work?
I work, yeah.
What type of work you do?
I do social media.
Social media?
Yeah.
So it's the same thing, so what you mean I don't work? It's the same thing.
He's saying he do social media also.
Well, you be making money out of it?
We just get 2 line outside.
Or what? I don't
He just
understand
he
him.
said
I'm
he
so
just
sorry.
he just got 2 lion like on TikTok. What? That's good. He's saying that's good.
Yeah, that's like $115. One line. And
100 how much?
$115.
$15?
$115.
You never send a lion yet.
Oh, okay. He's saying you have never sent a lion before. Why you make me translate?
$115. And TikTok takes half of it.
Yeah, so it's not 115.
And then 150.
Okay.
You made
$300. Congratulations.
Less than 5 minutes.
I thought you were gonna say, I don't know. I thought you meant he has Lambo outside. He said he got 2 lines. All right.
All right. So much did I rate her?
Tell them from there.
No.
No?
No, you're really
That's
rude. I'm not gonna turn around.
Yes, Rita.
So, what you feel if you turn around?
Huh?
What you feel if you give me a
There's
360?
no. I don't want to turn around. I don't want to. You're telling me to turn around. I'm not turning around.
I'll tell you.
All right, but how much did I rate her?
How much would I rate her? Fix the foot for me, please.
What? What is it?
He's saying fix your foot.
Oh yeah.
I'll give her a 5.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't care, but yeah, thank you.
All right. All right, come to this side, Butter. All right, so Butter, you never get a match today, so you have to walk with grace, okay?
Walk with grace?
Yeah. Yeah.
Immaculate Ocean.
Exit.
Oh, exit? Oh,
yeah, walk with grace.
God go with you, yeah?
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. I'm gonna leave a like, people. I'm not lie. I love the vibes, love the energy. Let's bring in the next male for me now. Wait and please, we can't wait until him reach out, so. All right. Introduce yourself.
Dre, Tita Paul, Jamaican thing.
All right. Shout out the social.
Real, REEL, Tita Paul with a TEETHPULL.
All right.
That is it.
What's your type, my bro?
Realistically, I don't have a type. Just somebody there, genuine, and kind of know what they want, grow and build together. That is it.
That's it. That's it. What type of job you do?
I'm a real estate developer and a stock trader.
All right, my G. All right. Nobody popped their balloon. That's good.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So you have the option right now.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Why you pop your balloon? Are you coming up for?
Give me a minute.
Oh, you too? Oh, shit.
All right. Well, we can find out why them pop them balloon, okay?
Oh, yeah, why not? Let's do it.
All right, we'll go down to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Fifi. I popped the balloon because I don't like light skins. Yeah. That's it.
Your skin color?
Yeah. I feel like I'm already light, so it's like not natural.
Okay.
Ain't no pressure.
All right. So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 10. He looks good.
Wow. But it's just the skin color?
Yeah. I just don't like light skins.
What do you think about her appearance?
I think she look amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, most definitely.
How much did I rate her?
I give you a 10 just the same.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Come down to this side. Your name?
I didn't pop my balloon. She popped my balloon.
All right. She sound like she need a
She
body.
want back a next balloon?
Right, please.
Yeah, I'll get the next one.
All right. Bring her a balloon. Come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Tosh Bratstall. So, I popped mine and hers because he asked her why she popped her balloon. He came here for her. Translation, which means everybody's balloon should be popped, honestly, because you only see her.
Oh, definitely not. That was not the case. I come in here and I see all of y'all.
So
all
what
of
did
y'all
you
look
mean
like,
when you said that? Because everybody else have ears, and I translate for everybody else that don't speak patois.
But at the end of the day, you should let somebody make their own decision. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
by me making a comment, that should not have anything to do with you. Because realistically, I'm not trying to be rude. Realistically, if she says something, I didn't say, yo, why you pop your balloon? I said, I come in here for you. I came in here for somebody at the end of the day. I didn't come here just to.
You said, why you pop your balloon?
I came in here for you.
Okay. So what else are you going to say to convince somebody else not to pop their balloon?
But the balloon already popped and we're moving on to the next.
All right. So how much did I rate him? How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I mean, your outfit looked nice. I don't smell your cologne. Your hair is slicked back. But just kind of threw me off a lot with what you said. Like you
You
didn't
look amazing too. Don't get me wrong. At
Thank
the end of the
you.
day, I'm not trying to
come
be
smell my
disrespectful.
perfume. Come smell my perfume.
I've been here
so
for
you
too
can.
long now. Come on, girl.
I've been here for too
Cologne
long.
expensive, $1,000 upon a
I don't wear
splash.
cologne.
Okay, I'm just showing you perfume.
All right.
Baccarat.
All right.
Who's wearing baccarat?
No, me. I'm telling you.
Okay, I can't smell it.
I'm sorry.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
0. You're arguing with me. I
Woo?
don't like that.
How much?
0. You are arguing with me. It's very much a turn off. And I don't like baccarat no more. Everybody wearing it.
That's a fact.
Okay. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Sure, Kai. I give you a 9. Solid 9.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No hard feelings. Not because you give me a 0, it still look good.
I gave you a 0 because your personality just turned me off.
Yeah. You give me a 0 because I make a comment because you never pop your balloon from the jump. And you feel like the me make a comment, you wouldn't pop your balloon if me never make the comment.
Correct. Absolutely.
That's a fact.
I was waiting
So-
for you to do something else so I could pop the balloon.
Okay. All right.
All
Next.
right. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Miss Big, and I popped the balloon because the same thing. Like you mentioned, you came here for her, and I don't want to be an option or a runner-up for anybody. So yeah,
I feel that.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I think he put himself together well. I didn't like the feistiness with the other girls, but you seem clean and neat. I'll give you a 9.
9. Oh, good. What do you think about her appearance?
Just match it. Why not?
9?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah? All right, come to this side. All right, so the female without a balloon, except you, walk with grace. Yeah? All right, you don't want back a balloon?
Nah, it's okay.
So, all right, based on his appearance, how much should I rate him?
You look very clean. It gives like your house is organized.
You're right about
You don't
that.
really have like lint on you, so I feel like you care about your appearance, which is really nice. You have nice teeth.
Appreciate that.
I think I would have popped my balloon because you remind me of my sister's dad. So it kind of gives a little weird on that part. But
Okay, all right.
I kind of get that part.
yeah,
The daddy option. Zaddy is different though.
he ain't my dad, but
No, he's saying Zaddy.
no, I'm saying my sister's dad.
I know he's called.
I get it.
You
but
get it?
I just
You threw it up.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
You know, all right. Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
I give you a solid 8.
Okay,
All right.
cool.
All right. So walk with grace for me now. All right. So we're down to 2, my G. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do this as a duo.
Huh?
We're doing this as a duo.
That's exactly what I came here for. You don't get it?
Oh, he likes them in twos.
Yeah.
You guys are going as a pair.
Yeah,
That's exactly what I came here for. Let's do it.
I think he's down. We like, the fact that you have your manicure like clean. That's very like cleansing, very like put together. We like that real estate developer. We like that. We
my
like
type.
Real estate. We're business women.
Okay. All right. So all right, that's what you're doing.
Okay.
All right. Let me hear what she's saying. All right. What you're doing.
I'm with her. This is my bestie, so we do everything together.
So So are you saying that you guys conversate and talk when you walked in to like, yo, let's pair out and go with him together?
No, we just always do it. That's how we are. We're besties.
You guys are gonna share one man?
Yeah.
You feel like something wrong with it?
No. Me just ask. Me just find out. So you guys normally do that?
Yeah, all the time.
It's my world. Somebody gotta live in it.
Yeah.
So any question you wanna ask him?
It's
Our world.
It's our world, and we trust
Ooh.
each other. Like like I'll let her fuck my man. I trust her.
I'm with it.
So is there a question you wanna ask him before you everything?
Have you ever been in like a polygamous relationship before?
That's my thing.
How do I know you're not just saying that though? It's expensive. Like we're expensive together. Just letting you know.
Money talk, and that's what I got.
We'll see.
Yeah. Most def. Turn the camera off and let's see what happened after this.
Okay, we'll see, Nori. You know these men be talking. They say anything these days. So
Not this one.
put your money where your mouth is.
All right. And any question for you? Anything what you want to say?
Nothing to say.
So you're not gonna pop their balloon?
Seems like I got too much.
So it's a match?
You can you can have this one.
Oh, it's a match.
It's a match for you?
Yes, it's a match.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
That's it.
So we have a match?
We have a match.
We have two.
A duo match.
We have a duo match?
Yeah.
We have a match! How would you backside this? What? What going? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. You're watching a man, man, not lie. I just want to big up Osmium Records. Big up yourself, my G. Nah lie, Florida would have never happened if you're never there. You see it? Big up for the Airbnb, big up for the 5-star. Yo, man, yo, hey, easy. Balloon Boss. Hey, my name Chips Boss, you know. My name Balloon Boss. Yeah. Bring in the next meal for me now. Alright, come to this side. Alright, introduce yourself.
Izzy. People call me Izzo.
Easy. Alright, come over more. Alright. What's your type though?
I don't have a type specifically, honestly. I look for somebody willing to try, you know? Yeah.
What type of work you do? Oh, they're not hearing you. What's your type though?
My bad. I look for somebody willing to try. I don't have a type specifically. Willing to try, yeah. Yeah, willing to try. Yeah. It's a Jamaican, you know, fully Jamaican. It's crazy.
Oh. All right. Shoot out the social.
Izzy, 1 milli, IZZY, 1 MILLY.
And what type of work you do?
Stock trader, and I'm a real estate agent.
That's not bad. We got one pop, so we're going to find out why they pop the balloon.
Talk to her.
All right, let's go. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
CC. I just really don't like when they down for anything. Like down for anyone, you know, willing to try with anyone. I don't like that.
What do you mean?
You're saying you don't really have a type, you're willing to try.
No, I'm saying a girl that's willing to try.
A girl that's see, I didn't
Exactly.
hear. You
Nah,
feel me?
a girl
So
that's willing to try.
I heard willing to try, so I thought willing to try whatever, you know?
Oh, nah.
Okay. I'll take a balloon back.
This time, are you serious?
I'll take one back this
Serious?
time. Yeah.
All right. Let her get a balloon.
Appreciate
All right. Come to this side, Maji. All right. So what you're going to do right now, can we get a pic? You're going to pop 2 balloons.
That's hard, bro.
Based on a question. You're going to ask them a question, that's it. One question.
What's your aspiration in life?
So currently I'm a project manager and I'm a freelance stylist. My aspirations is to open a image consulting firm eventually, yeah. And then tap into the real estate market.
Okay, so you're into real estate or?
I want to get into real estate. So I'm gonna purchase my first property in Jamaica soon, so.
Are you working on that right now or it's,
I am currently working on that now, yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
What you look for in a guy? The main attributes that you look for in a guy?
So business mindset, strong-minded,
Mm-hmm.
family-oriented, and a go-getter. Falls in line with business mindset.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What do you look for in a guy?
Funny. He gotta be hardworking, and yeah, like honest. loyal man.
So honest, loyal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What? What?
All right, talk to me. What do you look like? What do you look for in a guy?
A man who's willing to be the man for me, who wants to get to know me and on a deeper level, who's willing to take the steps into, marriage and family and just building.
What do you do for work?
I'm an aspiring actress, so I do skits right now. Yeah, for work.
Yeah?
Oh, wait. I do OnlyFans. How do you feel about that?
50-50.
Okay.
50-50.
So you held that back?
I wanted to see what he'll say, but I did hold it back.
Ain't no pressure.
Yeah?
I don't judge.
All right. Oh, wow. All right, so we got a pop. Yeah. Why did you pop the balloon all of a sudden?
I just felt offended. It seemed like you were flirting with her. You started being too laughy.
Wait, what?
I didn't like it. I just told you what I look for in a guy, and then you just started laughy with her. Like it just seemed like you had already matched with her mentally. So I checked out emotionally.
Okay, I get it. You're a little bit judgmental, but it's all
you
good.
just hurt
No
my
pressure.
feelings. That's
I
what
got
happened.
you. It happens. Do a 360 for me.
No.
Yeah, do a 360.
Why should I do a 360 for you? I said no. Meaning I popped the balloon.
All right. How much did
You trying to judge me there?
No, I'm not trying to judge you. I just.
You can get a 10 because you put yourself together real
Appreciate
good. You look, put together.
All right. Based on her appearance, where you rate her?
We give her a solid 6. And the only reason why I'm giving you a 6 because I saw a tear earlier in the back of your tights. I was like, that's it. No, nothing to it.
Because my butt too big. That's why.
Yes, that's all it is. Ain't nothing too personal.
That is personal. Nobody else on camera would have seen that. You wanted me to turn around so you could try to embarrass me.
Nah, I
That's
just
what
saw
you
it.
wanted to do. So if you seen it, why you trying to make me turn around? You a 0.
saw it.
You're lame. Get out of here. You're so weird. And then you got on a turtleneck and you wearing Timbs. That's weird.
So where there's Florida,
Yeah. And then no. Bye.
ain't no pressure.
I'll walk with grace.
Ain't no pressure.
Why all of a sudden? Why you pop your balloon? Why all of a sudden come to this?
Yeah, talk.
Yeah, like I don't like the whole 360 thing. Like
The 360.
I wouldn't do a 360. I don't like guys that ask for the 360. And then to add to that, you were kind of going back and forth with her, and then you were trying to like embarrass her because you knew something. I don't like that. I feel like a man, wouldn't really do like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't just be a good man to me because you're my man. I would want you to remain that same way to other women as well. So I didn't really
You
respect
have a valid
that.
point.
Yeah.
The thing about this is I saw something that, stood out to me, and I had to, point that out. Because at the same time, I'm looking for somebody that makes sense. And
But I wouldn't do that to try to embarrass somebody.
No, I wasn't trying to embarrass anybody.
I think that would have been embarrassing.
Yeah, I got
but-
you. Ain't no pressure.
Yeah, but I think you put yourself together well. The turtleneck and the Timbs. It's
Florida, it's
I'm
raining,
into
so-
fashion, so I get it. Like I'll wear
Yeah,
a fur in the summer, but I think you put yourself together. You
How
look
much did I rate him?
Likewise.
I'll give him an 8.5.
8.5.
Rating both her based on her appearance?
Give her a solid 9. Really like the professional, appearance, and put yourself together. You're well stand-up lady. Yeah, man.
Thank you, I appreciate
For real.
it.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Whoa. I thought you guys had something. Why you pop the balloon?
Also too, but I do hate that 360 thing. Cause like, why is that your focus?
The 360?
Yes. Why are you focused on that?
I saw something that stood out to me, so I had to,
Her butt stood out to you?
No, not her butt, just a tear.
A
I didn't
tear?
Really, I didn't really like.
Why did you judge her on her tear?
Because it stood out to me. Like I said,
Okay.
that's all it is. Ain't nothing personal. I like what I like.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much did I rate him?
I give him a 9. He has a really
Appreciate it.
nice smile. He came smiling and very businessy. He can keep himself up. So yeah.
Waiting about her based on her appearance.
Solid 9, just the same. Really like how she put herself together. She's not revealing too much, and she's not doing too much. She really calm and collective, and like the fact that she grabbed her balloon back, and she really give the G a chance. So that's all it is.
All right then.
Yeah,
All right.
appreciate that.
Huh? Come to the side.
You have some white stuff around your mouth and you're trying to hide it, but it's right there. Zoom in on that, please.
No pressure. I got you.
No, you don't have me on nothing.
Let's move on. Thank you, Queen. I appreciate you. And
come to the side.
Just had to point that out,
No pressure.
All right, so female that don't have a balloon, walk with grace for me now. All right, so we have one female here that didn't pop the balloon. Any question you want to ask him?
Are you freaky? Don't look at that me like that every time I ask this question.
I'll answer off camera.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's a yes?
Any question for she?
Nah, no question.
All right.
Is it?
That's it?
That's it.
All right, before I ask the final question, any more question you want to ask him?
No, I don't have no more questions.
Just that last one.
Yeah, that's the important question here.
That's an important question for you.
Wow.
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 Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it.
All right. So want to know, is this a match for you?
For me, it is a match, yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, I like it.
It's a match for you?
100%.
It's a match for you?
100%.
Yo, we have a match?
Yeah, we have a match.
We have a match!
Oh, gosh.
Yo, we're making love out there. I'm a Cupid. Did you know that? I want them to move come over here. Should I just take it up, take up my clothes and just jump to a fence? A 2 fence to take for reach here? Hey, big up Osmium Records for the bad beats them no man. Any bad artist, link up the G no man, follow him Instagram page. Let's do this. Bring in the next male for me now. Hey, female, can you wait until he's here? Can we wait until he's here? Yeah? Come to this side.
How you doing today? Yeah, David.
Yeah. Alright, introduce yourself.
How you doing today, my love? My name is Hippie Ross.
CP Ross?
Yeah.
Shout out to social.
You can follow me by Hippie Ross. HIPPIE_Ross. Know the vibes, you heard?
Alright, what's your type though?
Honestly, energy of my type still. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I forgot for vibes.
True.
I mean, so a more time, you can find pretty girl and no vibes. That make no sense.
Vibes important.
Yeah, man.
Definitely. Alright then. What type of work you do?
Me, I'm an entrepreneur. I got my own company where I install TVs and cameras and all that. I'm a yacht broker, and I'm also a content creator.
Okay, not bad. Not nice. Good. I said no female pop their balloon.
I like that. I like that.
You like that? That's good. Alright, so you have the option right now to pop a female balloon based on their appearance, okay? Alright? Can you get one of these? So one of them based on appearance.
Alright. Let me see what I got now. Right there. Go 360 for me. Let me see what I got. I'm going to ask you, There's a reason why I do that shit, but it's alright.
Oh, sure.
I'm in a business about that.
It was close, bro.
It's alright, man.
Bro, you were close.
No, first of all, it was the reason why I did that. I wouldn't even for y'all to. You know what I'm saying? But it's alright, man.
So we got some pops. So we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon,
Right.
okay?
They already told you why. Cause I said do 360. That's why it popped.
We'll find out.
Go on.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
My name is Miss Big. I popped the balloon because of the whole 360 comment.
Yeah,
I didn't like that,
it's understandable.
and then
but
he's not my type either.
that's okay.
But you didn't pop the balloon.
I mean, I was trying to give him a chance. I was trying to hear what he had to say and stuff. But yeah,
Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
I love the hat and the
Appreciate it.
dread out in the back, little
Appreciate it.
swaggy. I
Appreciate it.
feel your swag.
Thank you.
I would give you. I give him a 5. Why are you asking if you want to?
Just
Honest opinion, I mean, is,
wait, based on her appearance, how much did I rate it? 8?
Yeah.
8.
I'm 10, but I take an 8.
You can't say that, because me can say me a 10 too. But you say 5 though.
But
All
facts
right.
are facts,
so
right?
Give you, facts too. You can't say that first. Go on, because me know when we go on a style in an idea. You see?
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I popped the balloon because he asked me to do a 360, and then on top of that, you got a motive behind it.
No, it's not a motive.
You got a vagina on your shirt,
So we have body on my shirt?
and so that's why I popped the balloon.
So wait, hold on.
You
Come
see-
and have a vagina on my shirt. So you want a man for walk with body on them shirt?
No,
Me not support
no,
body
no.
man world. A pum pum worldwide. That was
Okay.
said. So if you want man with body on shirt, but a body man you look for. Next. How you doing, love? No, I'm not busy. Since I have a vagina on my shirt. What? You want a man for walk with body on shirt? Just all like you want body man, you want fucking that night out.
We're just gonna find out. how much
Yeah,
I rate
but
it.
that's so weird.
I
What
understand.
do you mean? You have a vagina on my shirt. This all like yeah.
How much should I rate him based on him
I'm not
appearance?
busy what you already, because we don't stand you already. How you doing, love?
No, you ain't styled me up.
Listen, love, how you
ain't
doing?
styled
How
me
you
up.
doing, love?
How much should I rate him? How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
He's a 0.
Thank you. How you
He's
doing,
rude,
love?
and you're acting very
You
much
rude,
feminine.
you talk about vagina.
No,
No, listen,
you-
I'm not busy with you
you
talk about that.
okay.
Yeah. How
All
you
right,
doing,
that's
lovely? Next.
And then your teeth them look like you
Mama,
have
but you
not
have
seen
so-
a
but
dentist.
you
Well,
have-
I
but-
got a rip on my
Yeah,
ass
be
because
yourself,
the whole world
mama.
could see it.
Yeah,
What's
when you
up?
look on YouTube, change that. You
What's
can't
up?
go. You
No,
can't
you're
go.
on
You
YouTube
can't
and
go
look
for
at
the-
your
the-
mouth.
you-
Look at
you
your
try
teeth
follow-
and
you
look
try-
at your
You try
face.
follow New York style. You can't bruise
You
that.
look like you smell dirty. Don't play
crazy.
with
That
me.
smell nice.
You got
You
pussy
smell
on your
nice.
shirt because you can't get none, nigga.
Pum pum worldwide, baby. That's why we got pum pum on his shirt. Cause
can't
we're not
get
bomb
it.
bucklers.
Even your
Have
hat
body.
dirty.
Yeah, I know. How you doing, lovely? You're vexed. You're in your feelings. Go ahead. You're very in your feelings. Go ahead. Cause you never pop the balloon. That wasn't it. We walk in, you would have popped the balloon. Move your blood clot. You're in your feelings. Move your blood clot. Grace your bum up. How you doing, lovely?
Hi.
All right. Tone it down. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Cece.
How you doing, love?
I personally don't like the 360 question
I know, it's
either.
okay. I apologize
Can I
for that.
ask you what? And give me like a real answer. What is the reason why you asked for 360?
All right, I ain't gonna.
Okay, be honest. Do you like to see body?
Nah, it wasn't on that. It wasn't on that. No, 'cause I
If
was-
I'm asking for a 360, I'm looking at everything.
No, that's facts, but
Yeah.
it was the reason between. I ain't gonna lie. So, cause I didn't ask none of y'all. So, but understandable. That's respectful. I could agree with that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
that's my
but-
bag on that.
Yeah, I feel
Yeah,
like
that,
you're.
yeah.
I get, you're Jamaican, so Jamaicans.
No,
I don't
not
know.
really.
Listen,
Not
listen
not
what
Jamaican
I'm
thing. 'Cause
saying
we're not.
is-
that has
No,
nothing to do
just
with
listen
it.
what I'm
Yeah.
saying. I get people sticking up for themselves, period. But Jamaicans, they real hotty. That's what y'all call it? I don't know.
At Ed.
All
Hothead.
depends.
Okay.
All depends upon the
But-
situation. We're
yeah.
not really too hot unless I add fire upon we still. You see what I'm saying?
It's okay.
Yeah, they have a motive behind it.
Not really, but it's all right.
If I'm asking her for 360, I'm looking at the ass. I'm sorry.
You see me I said that why? You see me I said, but that's why we
How
do
much should I
that.
rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Okay, so what does your shirt mean? Does it mean like love vagina? Like you
No,
just
I know.
love
Honestly,
vagina?
I'm like I said, I'm a content creator, so it's my homie shirt. You know what I'm saying? So I was supporting
Okay.
the brand. So I'm supporting this brand. This ain't my shirt. You know what I'm saying? I support my people that support me.
I could look at it both ways. It could be like show love
First
to
of
the
all,
coochie.
his content for this is saying
you know?
he love pum pum. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
He my man. He love pum pum. He don't love body.
Okay,
You know what I'm
okay.
saying? And realistically, it might big up the woman them. You see
Right,
I'm
that's
saying?
what I
So
thought.
you have to look at the logic of that. You see what I'm
Okay,
saying? You just
yeah.
pretty says pushing us.
Yeah, because I
That's-
mean,
you know
I
what
knew
I'm
I
saying?
knew some people who like had a brand and they were like called Pussy Power, you know. So
And this is
I
called
get it.
Pum Pum Worldwide.
Yeah,
So,
I
you see what I'm
personally
saying?
get it from a creator's
Alright, cool.
aspect. So,
Alright, so I appreciate
thought
you on that.
the swag was dope.
Appreciate you
Yeah,
on
yeah.
that.
All right, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
She's 10.
10.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Pretty smart. I put that.
All right. I come to this side. All right, so you never get a match today.
That's all right, man.
You really have to go run with grace. No walk. Go run with grace from
That
now.
was good, but that rubber girl I walk with pleasure. Is he free?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. All right, so
He ain't sending the right ones now. Jamaican men, make sure y'all hit them up if y'all want to be in these lineups. We need good Jamaican men, okay? We ain't trying to. They doing y'all dirty. They doing y'all bad right now. Like, come on.
all right, man, not lie. Comment below and rate the lineup. I really want to know where next. You see it? I don't know. I want to think, me though. Can I get a hug from Dave? I feel stressed. You can hug me, please? Good. All right, please. Love, my love, yeah. You know. Hey, thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Gonna lie to you. Florida, you turn up. New York, you turn up. Thank you so much for the support. Osmium Records are the baddest rhythm maker. You don't know the record them. Any new artist, any upcoming artist, make sure you follow them page for win a $80,000 giveaway. If you want to win, you know, you can go follow them page now, you know, for win the 80,000, you know. I know him a giveaway. Watch your joke, you know, want rich. Watch ya. Make sure you leave a like. You don't know the thing, go. God night. Stay safe.
This banana chips for you.
No for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it.
GCT forever and ever we say goodbye.
Call him some team of a boss. Call him some team of a boss. Call him some team of a boss. Road to 200K. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.
It's a banger. All right, well,